there's your depth with Nathan coming back. Now you've got Tanner Beeson, who has been called. Paul Marie having to come back to help out. Nice touch from Jan Gregush. This is Zardes' second start with Colorado after the trade from Columbus. Mark Anthony Kay had it briefly, but San Jose winning it back.
Each other, so the three in the middle of the park, Anthony Kay, Acosta and Warner. Bench even for Nico Ladero and Raul Ruidiaz and Stefan. Be a bit more aggressive in there. Both Gregush and also Jackson Ure sitting
out. Headed down by Zardes. Calvo got there first. Here's Abubakar. And we'll send it off of
played about 8 more games than most teams in Major League Soccer as well so far this year. So
for the South Bay. Cal working again. Spent time with Montreal, RSL, Houston, and then Minnesota for against Rosenberry. And out of Marcos Lopez. Rosenberry giving chase. Reaching out. Cal getting by Yarborough. Trying to chip it back. And down by Gregush. San Jose controlling here, but Colorado keeping the... And Marcos Lopez, good to see him back, and Cal had it briefly. And back for Lopez. Calvo sidestepping. Max.
Tough in the... allowed it to go out to Espinosa. Trying to motivate. That's better. That's much better.
This is Marcos Lopez. Lopez tries
for the Rapids. Well disciplined.
Curling ball headed by Leon. Headed down.
Front foot.
Second assist of his career. The Earthquakes. Chance to see him. Shot blocked.
Ethan.
Keeper. Marcos Lopez will send it in. That same ball is 86th minute. Earthquakes trying to see this one out.
And he made sure of it.
Lewis and Lopez. Marcos Lopez